When we think of humanoid robots, the focus often falls on agility, dexterity, or intelligence. But one of the biggest bottlenecks in real-world deployment has always been downtime. Robots need power, and when their batteries run dry, work stops. UBTECH Robotics, a leading Chinese humanoid robotics company headquartered in Shenzhen, may have just solved this problem with a breakthrough that could reshape industrial automation. Their Walker S2 humanoid robot has demonstrated a world-first ability to autonomously swap its own battery, a simple idea with massive implications. UBTECH was founded in 2012 by Jian Zhu and has since become one of China's most prominent robotics firms, specializing in humanoid robots and smart service robots. The company went public on the Hong Kong Stock Exchange in December 2023, further cementing its status as a global player. UBTECH develops full-stack robotic solutions, everything from hardware, motion control, and servo actuators to AI-driven perception, voice interaction, and reasoning. Its proprietary ROSA framework, Robot Operating System Application, integrates these technologies into cohesive platforms. UBTECH has made headlines for both record-breaking and practical achievements. Its robots have set Guinness World Records for synchronized dancing, assisted in pandemic response, and found real-world applications in education, logistics, healthcare, and automotive industries. By mid-2024, the company held over 2,450 robotics and AI patents, around 60% of them invention patents, underscoring its focus on innovation at scale. The Walker series, from S1 to S2. The Walker S series was officially launched in October 2024, introducing life-sized humanoid robots designed for industrial environments. The lineup included the Walker S1 and the more compact Walker S Lite. The Walker S1 holds the distinction of being one of China's first commercialized full-size humanoid robots for factories. It was engineered to handle tasks in automotive production lines and smart logistics, showing off dexterous manipulation, reliable mobility, and robust perception systems. Its technology stack combined UBTECH's high-performance servo actuators, precision motion control, and AI reasoning, enabling autonomous decision-making and effective human-robot interaction. With the Walker S1, UBTECH positioned itself as a serious competitor in industrial humanoids, proving these machines could be integrated into existing manufacturing systems. This foundation set the stage for the Walker S2, a model that builds on S1's core capabilities but introduces a groundbreaking new feature: autonomous battery replacement. In the official demo video, Walker S2 casually walks up to a charging station, removes a depleted battery pack from its back, inserts it into the dock, and replaces it with a fully charged unit. No human assistance, no downtime. The entire process takes around 3 minutes. What makes this system even more effective is the robot's dual battery design. If one pack runs low, Walker S2 can temporarily switch to the backup while swapping the other unit, keeping operations continuous. This simple but ingenious system effectively eliminates downtime, something no other humanoid robot has yet achieved. UBTECH didn't build Walker S2 just for flashy demonstrations. The robot has already been tested on production lines for major Chinese electric car makers, including BYD, NIO, and Zeekr. In these environments, downtime costs money, and the ability to self-manage energy supply translates directly into productivity gains. The hot swap mechanism itself uses a USB-like connection, designed for durability and reliability in high-volume settings. Combined with industrial-grade protection, it ensures the robot is not only capable but rugged enough for real factory deployment. Smarter, faster, and always on. At the heart of Walker S2 is UBTECH's BrainNet 2.0 AI system, a dual-loop control framework. This combines a cognitive-level co-agent with real-time motion intelligence, enabling the robot to plan, reason, and act simultaneously. In practice, this means Walker S2 can sort, inspect, and transport objects with contextual awareness and adaptive precision. Where conventional robots lose hours to charging cycles, the Walker S2's 3-minute swap system allows true 24/7 uptime. Imagine multiple Walker robots in a factory, taking turns swapping batteries without ever halting production. This is how humanoids scale from prototypes to production tools. Human-like eyes, machine-like precision. Walker S2 isn't just about power management, it also excels at perception and manipulation. Equipped with binocular stereo vision, the robot perceives depth much like a human technician. This enables it to recognize tools, avoid obstacles, and safely navigate cluttered spaces. Its dexterous hands boast sub-millimeter precision and have been tested for over 80,000 durability cycles, ensuring they are built for industrial workloads. Combined with force feedback sensors and 52 degrees of freedom across its body, Walker S2 can handle both heavy lifting and delicate, irregularly shaped objects. Industry impact. China has made robotics and AI a strategic national priority, and UBTECH sits at the heart of that initiative. The Walker S2 targets automotive, logistics, and general manufacturing sectors, offering factories a humanoid workforce that integrates seamlessly into human design spaces. Shenzhen itself, the city UBTECH calls home, has become China's Silicon Valley for robotics, with over 1,600 robotics companies operating there. From humanoids like Walker to delivery robots that ride subway trains to restock stores, Shenzhen is becoming a testbed for real-world robotic ecosystems. Why this matters? The Walker S1 showed that humanoid robots could be industrialized at scale. The Walker S2 goes further by solving one of the hardest problems in continuous deployment: autonomous energy management. This breakthrough makes humanoids more practical than ever, reducing dependency on human support and positioning them as true factory workers. It also highlights how China's robotics sector is innovating in unique directions compared to Western competitors like Tesla, Boston Dynamics, and Figure. The future of humanoid workforces. With Walker S2, UBTECH is redefining what humanoid robots can achieve. The robot can take verbal instructions, respond to gestures, and integrate into workflows, but its greatest strength lies in its endurance. By autonomously swapping batteries, it ensures operations never stop, a vision of continuous, human-robot collaboration. If UBTECH successfully scales the Walker S2, it could become the blueprint for humanoid deployment worldwide, influencing how factories, warehouses, and even service industries adopt robots in the next decade. UBTECH's Walker S2 isn't just a robot, it's a system designed for real-world deployment. With the world's first self-battery swap mechanism, BrainNet 2.0 intelligence, and rugged humanoid design, it pushes humanoid robotics from the realm of demos into the heart of industry. The company's journey from the Walker S1 to S2 demonstrates rapid innovation, and with UBTECH already holding thousands of patents and global deployments, it's clear they are emerging as a serious leader in humanoid robotics. The big question is, will Western rivals keep pace, or is China taking the lead in making humanoids practical for everyday industry?